What does it feel like to visit IIT Hyderabad for the first time? Today I will take you along my entire journey from Hyderabad metro and local buses to one of the India's most beautiful campuses where I attended MSME Tech Connect 2026. The day started at New Market Metro Station. This was the beginning of my journey to IIT Hyderabad. After scanning my metro card and entering the station, I took some time to explore the metro infrastructure. The station was clean, organized, and surprisingly easy to navigate. As I waited on the platform, the excitement kept building. A few minutes later, the metro arrived, and it was finally time to begin the journey. The metro ride towards Miapur was smooth and comfortable. Looking outside the window, Hyderabad's urban landscape slowly unfolded. At this point, I was thinking about the event ahead and what I might learn there. After reaching Miapur, the next challenge was finding the right bus connection. IIT Hyderabad isn't directly connected by metro, so I had to travel Patancheru bus station following the direction and asking a few people. I made my way towards the bus station. I boarded the bus to Patancheru, and as you can see the ticket price was highly affordable, and I started tracking the route on Google Map. It was showing around 49 minutes to Patancheru bus station. The overall journey time was around 2 hours from Miapur bus station to IIT Hyderabad. What really caught my attention was the speed of bus. It felt like we were moving with VIP convoy priority, moving distance much faster than expected. The second bus ride turned out to be one of most memorable parts of the journey. Sitting next to me was Professor Ashish Kulkarni from Electrical Engineering Department at IIT Hyderabad. We discussed technology, academics, and future opportunities. His guidance and insights made the journey incredibly valuable even before I reached the campus. He shared me lots of insights of IIT Hyderabad. And finally, the moment arrived. The entrance of IIT Hyderabad immediately gave a different feeling. The campus was vast, modern, and beautifully planned. After entering through the main gate, I boarded the campus bus, heading towards the convention center where MSME Tech Connect was being held. As you can see, the greenery of the campus, how attractive and beautiful the campus is looking. Then the bus dropped me near the convention center. Walking inside the convention center, I could already feel the energy of the event. Innovators, researchers, startups, and industry professionals had gathered under one roof. The conference sessions focused on how AI is transforming businesses and industries. It was fascinating to see practical applications of artificial intelligence beyond classroom concepts.
So when I try to replicate the situations of when I'm solving some problem, I've seen the hallucination. Means I have to say it again,
So it
there is
was
a
nice
hallucination, and what the
experience in
hallucination and
the
what is happening
auditorium.
here?
The conference sessions focused on how AI is transforming. Then the exhibition are showcased innovations across multiple domains, including AI, manufacturing, automation, healthcare, and emerging technologies. Every stall had a unique solution addressing a real world challenges. After exploring the event, I also visited the guest house area. Like the rest of campus, the facilities were modern, well maintained, and thoughtfully designed. The campus is huge, so I decided to explore it using one of the autonomous electric buggies. After a short walk, I finally found one and got ready for a unique experience. This was probably the highlight of the entire campus visit. The autonomous electric buggy moved through the campus without a driver controlling the steering. Watching the steering wheel turn on its own felt like stepping into future. As the vehicle moved across the campus, I got a closer look at IIT Hyderabad's unique architecture. Each department had its unique distinctive building design. Many structures reflected Japanese-inspired architectural concepts, giving the campus a futuristic yet elegant identity. From academic blocks to research centers and student facilities, every part of the campus seemed designed to encourage innovation. It wasn't just a university campus, it felt like a living technology ecosystem. My visit to IIT Hyderabad and MSME Tech Connect 2026 was much more than a campus tour. It was an opportunity to learn from experts, explore cutting edge technologies, and experience one of India's leading innovations ecosystems. For any student interested in technology, research, or entrepreneurship, there is a experience. This is an experience worth having. Thank you for watching this blog.